Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off silent mode on iPhone 16 Plus. The first way to turn on or off silent mode is to have silent mode assigned to the action button. When you have silent mode assigned, then press and hold on the action button, and that enables or disables silent mode. The next way is to have silent mode icon in the control center. So swipe from the right top part of your screen, then tap on the bell icon to silence or unsilence your iPhone. And the last way is to go to settings, sounds and haptics, and enable or disable the silent mode. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.